Have you ever heard about the Stanford prison experiment? Let me tell you about it. The psychology experiment meant to study behavior became a warning. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo launched what became known as the Stanford prison experiment. The goal was to examine how ordinary people might behave when placed into a position of power or submission within a simulated prison environment. A group of healthy college students were randomly assigned roles as either guards or prisoners. The setting was a mock prison built in the basement of Stanford University. Participants were told it was an experiment, not a real jail, and they can leave whenever they want. But very quickly, the situation changed. What began as a control study escalated quickly, far beyond what researchers expected. The roles that people were given started to shape their behavior in very disturbing ways. Boundaries blurred, stress intensified, and the environment became harmful enough that the experiment had to end early. The Stanford prison experiment is now widely criticized for ethical violations, lack of safeguards, and the psychological harm it caused to the students. It is no longer taught as a model of good science, but rather as an example of how power structures and institutional settings can bring out dangerous behavior when oversight fails. What matters most is not the shock value of what happened, but what it revealed about prisons, authority, and how systems can shape human behavior in ways people don't expect. If you want to go deeper into how prisons function, how power operates behind the walls, and why these systems matter far beyond one experiment, or if you want to learn more about the Stanford prison experiment, check out our newest episode of Prisons. Link is in our bio.